What's up, guys? It's Neon Phoenix here, and welcome to Ruby's Vitten Party. I was trying to look for horror games to play, and I stumbled upon this game, so let's go ahead and jump right in. The intro took me so long to do because I was trying to figure out how to do the arcade machines. But I see there's a party going on. I see you, girl.
Hey there! Welcome to my house. I'm really happy you could join me for my birthday party.
Okay. What's with the yiddies now?
We were waiting for you. We thought you would make a great addition to our family.
I don't even know you like that.
Have you met them yet?
No.
They're over by the table. Why don't you go say hi to them?
What kind
They
of family
love
is that?
scratches.
Nah. What kind of messed up family is this? Hello, sir? Sir? How are we doing today, sir? Sir? Madam? The fuck was that, sir? Good? Let me see something. Yeah, I might get copyrighted for that shit. What do I do now? I greeted all the Vittens. Can I escape? No, she might run after me. What was that noise now? Oh! What the fuck? Yo, Ruby, what the fuck? Hold on. Ruby, what the fuck? Nah. I'ma die. Good, bro? That was creepy. Talk to Ruby. That was kind of weird, Ruby. This new mouse I have kind of sucks, not gonna lie. Yo, Ruby, what the fuck was that?
Aren't they just adorable?
Not really.
I believe it's time to start this party.
Sure thing, Ruby.
I'm starting to feel hungry as well. How about we kick things off with dinner?
Okay. Why do I feel disoriented? Did you drug me? Why you looking at me like that? Oh shit! Run, boy, run! Oh fuck.
I'm really sorry you had to meet me like this, but poor Whisker hasn't had a proper meal in quite a while. Whisker likes to play with her food and often plays games with us, or at least she used to.
What the fuck's happening?
Whiskers only wants a snack. Find the Vittens from the party and return them to the table to prevent her from eating you.
Well, that was weird.
Good luck.
Watch your heart rate. Don't move on red, move only on green. So it's red light, green light. So when it's red, we do not move a muscle. Shit. What the fuck's happening? What the fuck do I do? Return to 60. Oh, fuck! I thought I couldn't move. Oh no, that's red light. I was about to say, what the fuck? Give me that. Do I collect you? No? But there's a Vitten right there. Now run! Nothing in the backyard.
It's a clapping gun.
Bitch, you better move away! No! Oh, she's gone. Move! Grab it! Grab! Ooh, ha, ha. Okay. We gotta come up with a game plan.
Come join us.
Never! Uh-oh. Why'd I move? Why did I press S? Such a Let me just not there. I couldn't do anything. I would have died anyway. This is a bullshit. Take that. Move. Fuck. Oh!
You smell delicious.
Oh no! Not like this! Not like this! No! I just ran past her though. I'm surprised she didn't kill me then, when I just ran past her. Yoink! That? Okay, nothing. Stuffed animals are going to be the death of me. Fuck! The fuck is she? Damn it! I gotta get to a place that is not crowded. Because the corners are not that helpful. Move! Move the mouse, for God's sake! Move! What up, Mo? Ah! Move! I beg of you! Oh. Stop being a little bitch, kid. Nothing. I thought I was screwed. Where is it? Fuck! Ah! These control the mouse. I need my other mouse. I don't even know where that is. Oh my god, this is such bullshit. Okay, I got you. What's wrong with y'all? What? Yeah, corners. Fuck!
I won't fight.
No! No! Please! No! Okay. Come on. Can I leave? Fuck! Nothing. Nothing.
You smell delicious.
How did she even know I moved over there? This is gonna be a pain in my ass. This mouse is wonky as fuck. Blue, yoink that. Nothing. Oh! No!
I just want to play.
Not like this! Not like this! when the next video, I need to get a better mouse. This one sucks. Come on, get in. Nothing. Duolingo, get over here. Move. Move. Why do I keep on checking you? There's nothing in here. Please!
You smell delicious.
Oh my god. Nothing's been out here. Get upstairs. Oh, where's this bitch at? Where? Where? Uh-oh. No! What's up, bitch? Get back to the shower room. Come on. Nothing! Fuck! Not like this!
I promise it ain't her.
Not like this! Yeah! Oh. Why am I screaming so damn loud? Move. Move that ass, boy. Toward the mouse! Fuck!
Come join us.
Never! Fuck you! Wait. Fuck you, now she's gonna spawn here. I only got, I think, 10 or 12 seconds to look. Fuck! There's a key!
It's complicated.
No! Fuck! Fuck you! Let me die! Go. Fuck, why'd I go this way? Why the fuck did I go this way? Why did I go this
I
way?
just wanna play.
Ow! Ah! Fuck! Lock the door. Fuck! Man, this is bullshit. This is gonna take me forever. This mouse sucks. Okay. Go. Come on. Go. Okay. Fuck.
You
Ah!
smell delicious.
Please! I beg of you! No! Let's go back to the shower now, bitch. Fucking nothing? Only have 10 seconds. Fuck! No! Please! Please! 1, 2, 3, 4. Ah!
I just want to play.
Oh! Fuck you. Anything good? It's fucking nothing. Fuck!
It's clapping.
No! No! Ah! Oh! Come on! Calm down. Oh!
Give me that sheets.
There's gotta be a key around here somewhere. Come on. Jump to Papa.
Come join us.
No! Wait! Well, okay. There's fucking nothing in here! Where's the last two of you? Fuck you! You bitch! Ah. Yes!
I won't bite.
No! No! Come on. Give it to me! Pause. Move! Which way is she coming? Yeah.
I just want to play.
No! I don't wanna! Come on. Yes! Move! Move! Yeah! Fuck you! What the fuck? What's the objective? Do I escape? That shit's locked. Do I get a key upstairs? I did see a key upstairs. There you are. Yoink. I can't sprint no more. Maybe that's how it locks down the kitchen. Uh-oh. The fuck? Oh, nah. I'm next. Fuck. I'm next. All the cats. Uh-oh. What do I feel like when I go up there? She's gonna be right there waiting. She a psychopath, for real. She she a bad girl. She a bad bitch, but still, that's no excuse. Fuck. What does it unlock? Yo, you got anything? No? Upstairs we go. Nothing. Must be in here. What's in this bathroom? There's nothing in the water. So what was the point of even coming here in the first place? Hold on. There's nothing in here. There's nothing in here. Nothing. And I put something in the graves we can check out in the living room. What the fuck do I do? I already unlocked everything. Just gonna go back downstairs. If I can't figure it out, I'm seek help from my old friend Jay, my old buddy old pal. Oh wait, no, this might be the door. Yep. I escaped. Oh shit, she's right there at the window. Looks like I don't need to seek help from my buddy old pal. Well guys, that was Ruby's Vitten Party. If you guys want to see more horror games, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and this has been Neon Phoenix signing out. I will see you guys